Sydney Metro Inspiro Stock represents a bold leap forward in urban rapid transit design, combining avant-garde aesthetics, advanced engineering, and a deep sensitivity to place and culture. Manufactured by Siemens Mobility as part of its sophisticated Inspiro high-capacity (HC) family, this train is being specially built for the Western Sydney Airport line and is projected to begin service around 2027. The contract to deliver a turnkey metro system, including 12 fully automated, driverless 3-car train sets and associated systems such as signaling, electrification, platform screen doors, and a depot, was awarded to Siemens via the Park-Life Metro Consortium. Each train set is configured as DM1 TP DM2, meaning 2 motor cars flanking a trailer for optimal performance and redundancy. The car body is built from stainless steel, which gives it a robust yet sleek form. And the entire 3-car set spans approximately 67.63 meters in length while measuring 3.19 meters across in width, significantly wider than some other metro stock in Sydney. This generously wide design helps maximize internal capacity and passenger comfort, enabling about 645 passengers per train, of whom around 194 can be seated. The train's power is drawn from an overhead catenary system via a pantograph, consistent with modern high-capacity metro lines, and the design speed of the system is up to 100 kilometers per hour in service. Embedded within the train is a suite of advanced features for passenger convenience, safety, and cultural resonance. From large windows that allow expansive views of the surrounding landscape to real-time digital screens providing live flight information to connect passengers with Western Sydney International Airport. The interior seating layout is thoughtfully designed, combining both longitudinal along the sides and transverse across, with multifunctional areas featuring tip-up seats that make room for wheelchairs or luggage and generous underseat storage for baggage. The upholstery is not merely functional but deeply symbolic. Inspired by the Cumberland Plain, the patterns integrate Aboriginal art elements with the concept of Nurabadoa, meaning country and water, while priority seats in yellow evoke meeting places by water holes and fields of wattle flowers. For passenger comfort, each car is equipped with 2 fully redundant air conditioning units and even floor heating to ensure a pleasant environment in all seasons. Accessibility is prioritized throughout. There is step-free access, wheelchair spaces, and hearing loops